Hi folks, I'm Brent Coker. This is episode 15 of my 18 Marketing Tips in 18 Days series, where I present a piece of marketing knowledge that's perhaps not so well known, but has a hugely powerful effect on consumer behavior. So in this episode, I want to talk about the so-called scarcity effect. So the scarcity effect is this idea that when consumers feel that something is either scarce or hugely popular, then they're more likely to want to buy it. So there's been a lot of experiments done on this. One that comes to mind was the cookie experiment. So they had two groups, they split them up, put them in different rooms. They gave one group a jar of cookies that had many cookies in it. They gave the other group a jar of cookies, exactly the same cookies, but had only a few in the jar. And then they measured perceptions of quality for each respondent. And what they found was that that group where they only had a few cookies in the jar rated the cookies as being much higher quality than the other group where they had many cookies in the jar. So simply because there wasn't many cookies in the jar, they perceived it to be better quality for whatever reason. So this technique is used quite often for tech manufacturers, for example. When they're about to release a new product, they might claim that there are limited numbers available or pre-order because they're selling out fast. These types of claims are usually fabricated, and the idea is to drive demand. It's working on this idea of the scarcity effect. So you can use it in a powerful way in your own content. If you create this idea that something's popular or scarce, it tends to have more impact on people's engagement. So that's episode 15 of my 18 marketing tips. I'm Brent Coker. Thanks for watching.